Welcome to the 2019 Hartford Boat Show. It's the 50th anniversary, and this year it's at Mohegan Sun Casino. My name is Keith Abel. I work for MarineMax, and today I'm going to be taking you through the 255 Dorado Scout. These boats are built down in South Carolina, have beautiful fit and finish, nice Carolina flair. This boat is a bluish hull. As we come up onto the boat, you can see the beautiful powder coating, hardtop, and absolutely gorgeous amenities inside. Plenty of seating, storage underneath, a little sink, cutting board. You do have a pull-out Yeti. As we come forward, we do have this beautiful passenger seat, the captain's seat, Garmin GPS chart plotter, fish finder, Garmin VHF radio, Fusion stereo. This boat also has a beautiful bow, plenty of seating and storage, and also a beach boarding ladder up forward. This boat also is equipped with a nice freshwater head. For more information on the 255 Dorado Scout, please call Keith Abel at MarineMax at 203-996-2599. Thank you, and see you on the water.